Hey, I'm on my Huffy Parkside SC. They no longer make this model. They retired it a long time ago. They make two models. They make the steel frame and the aluminum frame. Those are the two models. The place of purchase would be Walmart or a Huffy or at a local dealer. It's a good bike, a great beginner's bike, a perfect fit comfort bike. It is an easy to repair bike as well when parts are available for it. My bike is over 5 years old, going on 6. I'm happy with it. I sit upright, my arms are extended, but I lean just a little bit forward. It's a 6-speed bike, it has a derailleur, and it has the old-fashioned handbrakes. I had problems with my bike that I blew out the rear tire. The rim is separated from the actual piece of the rim, and the tire blew, and I got a new part, new bike wheel, sprocket rear, and yeah, bike is back to new as normal. I also changed out the brakes. Something happened to it, don't recall, and yeah, the bike also had to need a new kickstand. That wore out pretty fast. If I had to put a price tag on how much I spent into this bicycle of just repairs, I'd definitely say under $100. Accessories, what I put into the bike: a phone holder, a tripod holder for a camera, lights, under $100. Let's not forget the bike pump, the rack, and that's it. I am super happy with my bike. The problem with the Huffy is it's a heavy bike to pedal. It's a 6-speed that I always stay in first gear, and I went as fast as 26 miles per hour flying down the road with the bike. The longest I've been with the bike, I would say a 10-mile trip. I rode it multiple times. It gets me to where I need to get. It is a bike that you can step through over the top. Is it comfortable to step through? Somewhat. You can swing your leg over the back. Well, it is a nice looking bike. It is a comfortable bike, and they have retired this bike. They made it in a couple of colors. It's a universal bike for all. The thick tires are what make the bicycle comfortable to ride. If I had to put a mileage for this bike of how far I went and all the videos I made, I'd say I definitely went a good 1,000+ miles. Huffy treated me well, comfortable seat. As you can see how I swung my leg over and how it rides. Yeah, you got a bike and you like your bike. You stick with it, thin it through. You know what I mean. I want to thank you. I shared my story about my Huffy Parkside SC and how much I love this bike. I hope you enjoyed the review, the talk, the long-term review. And on that note, I'm Fish, and thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask down below. I'd be more than happy to answer your question.